Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we keep you updated on all things crypto. Today we're diving into Cardano ADA and why you shouldn't be sleeping on this one. As we head into Q4, there are some serious hot projects launching on the Cardano network that you must know about. From new pre-sales to innovative DeFi projects, Cardano is gearing up for a strong end of year. The community is buzzing with excitement and social sentiment around ADA has been picking up momentum. Could this be the catalyst for Cardano's next big move? We're going to take a closer look at these projects and why they might just give ADA the edge going into Q4. Stick around because if you're holding ADA or thinking about jumping in, this video is for you. Let's go. So we're going to start here. Cardano ADA's facing a mixed October 2024 price forecast, with analysts predicting a range of outcomes. Coindex anticipates ADA trading between 36 cent and 42 cent, with a maximum possibility of 45 cent. However, a more bullish scenario suggests ADA could rally up to 70 cent if Bitcoin initiates a new surge. Historically, October has been a favorable month for the crypto markets, which could push ADA's price much higher if momentum holds. And again, just really, really interesting. Do you agree that we could hit 70 cent? Do you think 70 cent is realistic, or are we expecting more of a correction? And look, I've already said to expect some volatility. But look, I do want to sort of talk about some more poor journalism. Cardano October 2024 price prediction: can ADA hit $70? Should be 70 cent. Again, it's just poor. Like we got we got to highlight this stuff. Things have got to be better. How has that been missed? So many people are clicking into this article thinking there's a possibility of a $70 ADA. So yeah, I just wanted to sort of flag that up a little bit. But sentiment would be cautiously optimistic. I think we have seen a bit of a pullback over the last few days, particularly for altcoins, which is something we've been anticipating and calling for. And I think that is actually healthy for us to see the next leg up. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions on the comments below. There is a lot of different, predictions out there, and we should be looking at all of them and trying to work out which is probably the most likely. So I don't just want to cover the positive on this channel. I want to really give a well-rounded view and look at the articles. We've been talking about sentiment being really, really bullish, not just for Cardano, but for the entire crypto market. With the next article here, Cardano ADA facing a potential 20% drop, according to market sentiment. The bearish signals stem from ADA's current price action, where it hovers at key support levels. If ADA closes below 39 cent, the decline could extend to 31 cent in the coming days. However, breaking above 42 cent could invalidate this bearish outlook. And again, really, really interesting. My view on this is really that it's short term, right? This is short term volatility. I don't even want to say bearish sentiment. It's just short term volatility. And I think that we could see a temporary correction, with something I've been highlighting, offering a potential buying opportunity, though. And trying to spin the positive out of this article is that would be a really good buying opportunity, particularly with some of the positivity around the roadmap being revealed recently. What's your strategy? Are you buying the dips on all the pullbacks? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. So look, let's stick with, what could actually be a reason for, a potential retracement or crash for Cardano, right? In October 2024, both Cardano and Solana are set to witness significant token unlocks. For Cardano, around 37.06 million ADA tokens, approximately worth $14.34 million, will be unlocked, which is around the 0.10%, so 10% of the total circulating supply. While this may seem minimal, the market participants are watching this closely, and for basically the potential price effects for ADA. Historically, token unlocks can lead to temporary price volatility, but given the relatively small portion involved, Cardano's price may remain pretty stable for the, but I guess, but again, just depends on the broader crypto market, that whether it trigger that change or not, right? So again, just want to keep everybody up to date with what's going on, because a lot of people aren't looking at token unlocks, right? My opinion is, with the unlock accounting for just 10%, uh, you know, I don't expect a dramatic, volatility, movement for Cardano ADA. However, it's worth watching for the broader market and see how the broader market reacts. I think that there will be a bigger impact for Solana, though. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Again, more negative headlines. It's funny, like, how quick the market moves, right? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. But Cardano ADA is facing significant challenges. Another key developer left the project. This raises concerns about ADA's future as its development team, if I can get my words out, continues to experience attrition. While Cardano has hit notable milestones, the loss of talent has the possibility to hinder future growth. The sentiment around this is that ADA is leaning bearish, with fears of slowing innovation. However, Cardano's community and governance structure remains strong, which could help weather this period of instability. What do you think, though? Like, a developer leaving Cardano, I'm sure developers leave many projects all the time. And look, my opinion, right, is that there's always, somebody else. There's always someone new. There's always someone younger, hungrier, that can, change the game. So look, I'm not concerned by this. I think the articles are there to driven fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But there's lots of innovation, right? This one, engineer, coder, dev, developer, whatever terminology you wish to use, is just one cog in a system of cogs. So for me, I think that it's nothing really to worry about. And again, it's just scaremongering to get people out of ADA. In Q4, Cardano is set for some of its hottest projects gaining traction, from decentralized finance, also known as DeFi solutions, to real-world applications. Key projects include 𝗕𝗄𝗪, which focuses on affordable housing in Africa, and World Mobile Token, providing decentralized communication networks. These projects highlight the growth of the Cardano beyond its simple transactions, boosting optimism for Cardano ADA holders. Not only that, you've got the likes of SundaeSwap, again, just really, really cool projects. 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡, and so on, right? There's an awful lot. 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡. There's some great projects building on the ecosystem that have got some very, very big things coming very, very soon when it comes to launching their projects and adding new features and so on. So there's an awful lot going on there. But one that I would like to highlight is Palm Economy. Again, a really cool project tokenizing commodities and revolutionizing TradFi. Again, I think that this is a fantastic project. And not only that, if you join us in the free Discord, you can learn how to take part in the private sale. You don't want to be sleeping on this one. Real world asset tokenization is something that Nick and myself have been talking about for an awful long time. It is probably the next big sector to really take off, with the likes of BlackRock and various other big, institutions taking note. So look, my view is that these projects are exciting. And again, it's exactly what Cardano needs to drive real world adoption, Do you think ADA's utility will push it to new prices or new highs? Let's discuss it in the comments below. Really interested to get your views and opinions. Moving on, we got Cardano is currently trying to gather positive momentum, aiming to rise from the recent lows. Market signals show ADA is venting off overbought saturation on the RSI, indicating it might be positioned for a potential bounce. As Cardano ADA attempts to reverse the downtrend, the key resistance levels are being closely watched by traders, and at least that's what this article is informing us. So again, really interesting to see. My view is, ADA or Cardano ADA could see a positive uptick, if I can get my bloody words out today, if it breaks through critical resistance levels. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions. Will Cardano regain its bullish momentum that we've been seeing over the last week or so, or will it face some downward pressure? Let me know in the comments below. Sentiment is cautiously bullish, depending on Cardano's ability to overcome current market hurdles. And I think that is something that we're seeing in these articles. So a piece of positive news, at least in my opinion, Cardano's upcoming 2024 summit in Dubai, now officially sponsored by Binance, signaling growth momentum for the blockchain. Binance involvement suggests confidence in Cardano's ecosystem, particularly as the summit will focus on blockchain adoption, DeFi, and innovation. This partnership could ignite more institutional interest in Cardano, with discussions led by top industry leaders like Binance, new CEO, as well as ecosystem growth. Especially with such high-profile backing, Cardano is now positioning itself as a central player in the blockchain for the next wave of adventures or achievements, right? I just think it's a really positive thing. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. So moving on to something that I am really excited about, and that is Midnight. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is back in the Midnight project, a privacy focused sidechain designed to unite fragmented blockchains. The Midnight's goal is to bridge blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin through interoperability while maintaining privacy. Hoskinson emphasizes that Midnight could break down the barriers of crypto tribalism by aligning incentives across different networks. With dual token system Night and Dust, the project is poised to address privacy challenges while encouraging cross-chain collaboration. My take on this is it's a pivotal requirement in blockchain for us to get mainstream adoption in. A compliant privacy project is something I've been talking about for over 2 years as like the next layer in order to actually get real meaningful amounts of adoption in the real world, right? The way I explain this is if you have a bank, you don't want people seeing your transactions and how much money you've got in your account or how little you've got in your account or how much debt you're in. And with privacy, it's important to have the ability to mask that stuff. Same with like the medical industry. You want to be able to unmask your medical details. You don't want everybody seeing what's wrong with you. Perhaps some of it's embarrassing and you don't want to share it. So look, I think this stuff is really important. I think it is that next iteration of what is required for blockchain. But let me know your thoughts and your take on this in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video.